My name is Malaysia Johnson, and I'm going to show you how to install a lace wig. According to Wigs.com, lace wigs are worn for many reasons, such as hair loss, cancer, medications, alopecia, and of course, fashion. First, to get started with your lace wig, you're going to need a foundation. And most foundations start off as cornrows, which are flat braids to the back of your head. The flatter your braids are, the flatter your wig will look. As you can see, I already have some flat braids. Then you're going to need a wig cap. Did you know, according to Simply Wigs Co.uk, wigs do not stop your hair from growing, but if not protected properly, you will suffer from damaged hair. And that's where the wig cap comes in, to protect your hair. So I'm gonna put this on as so. You're gonna make sure you get all your hair into your wig cap. You can pull your wig cap as low as you want it or as far back as you want it. Personally, I like to make my forehead look smaller. So I'm gonna put my wig cap on. After you get your wig cap on to your desired preference, you're going to get some lace tint spray, as such as I have here. This spray comes in many different colors from light to dark, and you can put it in your hair, on your wig cap and on your lace on your wig, and it will make it look more like your scalp. So I'm gonna spray this on as such. And also you're gonna spray it on your lace. As you can see, it looks more of my skin tone. And I'm gonna set this down so it can dry. And you're gonna let it air dry just a bit. But as this is drying, I am going to get my glue, my lace glue. In this video, I'm using Got2b. And I'm going to put it on the circumference of my cap. So I'm going to apply it like this. As you are applying it, you can apply it as low as you want it or as high as you want it. But you want to make sure, depending on what kind of lace glue you use, you want to make sure you don't get it on your hair. It can cause damage to your hair. After you apply your glue to your hairline as such, or the hairline that you want to create, you're gonna let it dry clear. So I'm gonna tell you the importance of letting it dry clear. The clear that your lace glue dries will be the more your lace tends to look like your scalp. And you can put up to anywhere between 1 to 3 layers of your lace glue, depending on the hold that you want. So this is not gonna dry clear, but you want it to dry clear. Once it dries clear, you're going to put your wig on your head and adjust it to your hairline as such. So as I get this wig onto my head, I'm going to pull it down to where my glue starts and just lay it in line. Lay it in line with the glue I've put down. Now I'm gonna pull this excess hair back. Once you get it in line, I usually take a comb or a brush and I press the lace into the glue. Once you press the lace into the glue, and make sure you get all the extra hairs right here. So the only thing that is touching your skin is the lace. I have some baby hairs pulled down because that's gonna be for my style of the wig that I will show you. And because your glue has dried to turn clear, it will be sticky, so it'll be held in place on your head so you can finish the other steps. So I'm gonna pull these hairs back, and I want these hairs down on my face. So that's why I'm gonna have these down like this. Okay, once you get your lace in your desired position, you're gonna pick up your adhesive spray. There are many different kinds of adhesive spray, but for this video, I'm using the Ebin Wonderblend lace spray. And this is just for the extra hold for your hair. So I'm gonna spray that around the hairline also. Once you get this around your hairline, I just pat it in. You pat it in. I'm gonna spray a little more right here so this can lay down. And you're gonna put a bandana, or something over the hairline to hold it down. You want to leave this band on for as long as you can, honestly. I've personally figured out the longer that you leave it on is the better that it'll stay, is the better it will look. So I leave it on anywhere between 30 minutes to an hour, or if I'm going to sleep, I just leave it as I go to sleep. And you're going to tie your hair down like this every night before you go to bed. It doesn't have to be with the same band. It can be with a scarf or anything, but you're gonna want to make sure you tie your hair down across here to lay your lace. Also, your glue is not completely dry. This will also allow your glue to dry and for your lace to stick longer on your hair. Is your hair. So as I put this, let this sit here and talk, I will let you know that there are many different types of adhesive spray, such as Got2b, Ebin. I can't think anymore off the top of my head because those are the two I only use. So I've left my band down not long, but as you can see that it's like this. Okay, for my personal preference, I'm going to curl these hairs upwards, and then I have some longer hairs that are still, oh, this one goes over here. I have some longer hairs that are still laying down, still showing. So I'm just going to cut them off. And to lay my hair down, I use a Not Strong spray or glue for my hair to just lay it down. So I just put the glue on it like this, and I brush it or comb it the way I want to style it. I just want these to go back like this. And the longer you take with these, the better they'll look. But this is for my video. Also, I have some over here, but I'm not doing them. Once you have your hair like this, and you still may see some lace So I would get some makeup powder and, you know, put it around my hairline, and then it'll blend. But this is how you install a lace wig, and this is how you can wear your hair for many reasons, such as hair loss, cancer, alopecia, and of course fashion. I wear my wigs for fashion. Thank you.